The long-awaited 2026 GMC Terrain DENALI is finally here, and it's sick. We're gonna be taking a look inside and out, and we're gonna get this thing on the road. On the hood, we have a 1.5 liter 4-cylinder engine, 8-speed automatic transmission, 175 horsepower, 203 pound-feet of torque, and this thing is capable of towing 1,500 pounds. At least you got some capability with towing there. Good looking engine, very clean bay. There's lots of extra room actually. I mean, it's spacious in there. You could probably fit a couch. GMC badge, nice looking grille, and our C-shape running lamps right there. Got a bit of a color matching bumper going on and chrome as well. So it kind of matches up with this reverse C-shape running lamp. It kind of creates a little S shape on the side there. 19-inch wheels, Continental tires. We got some blinker indicators right here. Denali badge, chrome strip down the entire vehicle to your rear wheel. Nice big Denali badge on the back. Your Terrain all-wheel drive badge. We have a power lift gate. There we go. That's like premium grocery getter stuff right there. Lots of storage space in the back. You could probably stack 3 hockey bags in there. If you put the back seats down, then you got room for whatever you want. And finally up here you have your backup camera. Let's go check out the inside. All right, starting things off, we have a leather wrapped steering wheel, very comfortable to the hands. 11-inch driver information center, and your infotainment system is 15 inches. Look at the size of that. You have buttons all down here for your AC. You can also do that digitally on the screen. This is your volume dial. It kind of sticks out a bit from the screen. It looks pretty sweet. All kinds of options on the screen as well. Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, kind of whatever you're looking for, this vehicle has it. These seats, Denali badge, super comfortable sitting in them, all leather. A white stitching accent on them. You also have power seats going on. The rear seat room is pretty phenomenal and very comfortable. You see this little indent into the seats. Down below we have your car seat hooks. You just pop this out. There you go. There's your car seat hooks, and it's not uncomfortable for the back seater sitting there, and it's very easily accessible for a parent who is strapping in their child. And now I'm struggling because I have no idea where that went. Rear vents and heated rear seats. Here is a better look at the front of the vehicle. Very spacious, very well designed. You have one glove box in this vehicle, and we found our cover. But here is a look at your center console going on. There is a wireless charger right here, cup holders, and this is not another wireless charger. This is a tray to hold whatever you need, change, phones, whatever it's gonna be. Under here, we have a lot of storage space that goes down about a foot and probably gives you just under a cubic foot of storage. So for starters, one of the most important things for most people when buying a new vehicle is it needs to be comfortable, it needs to drive comfortably, and very smooth, probably responsive. Well, the GMC Terrain DENALI has that covered, that's for sure. Everything about it really kind of hits spot on. Handles the bumps well, as you can see. It's still very smooth feeling as we're going. Acceleration is very smooth as well. However, we're looking at like an 8.5-second acceleration. That's on the slower side, but you know, this is more of a family vehicle, a grocery getter, a road trip vehicle. Like, you don't need the 4-second or less 0 to 60. Now, I did mention road trip vehicle, and the reason I did was because this thing is great on gas. 9.5 liters per 100 kilometers combined. That's a solid number. And as low as 8.9 liters per 100 kilometers on the highway. 9.9 in the city. But even still, we're consistently under 10 liters per 100 kilometers. For our American friends, that is 24 miles per gallon in the city and 28 miles per gallon on the highway. Fuel tank size is also about 60 liters or 15.5 gallons. That's a good size fuel tank. With those fuel mileage numbers, you can expect some pretty good range out of a full tank. The cornering is fantastic. It says if your center of gravity is lower than it actually should be. Visibility fantastic when taking your turns. You can always see what you got to see. Honestly, that's everything I could have wanted out of a vehicle that retails for 52,000 Canadian, 38,000 American. It just really takes care of you well, and this 15-inch screen is so outrageous and awesome at the same time. We got all kinds of cameras in this thing too. Front camera, you can have that on while you're riding. Back camera as well while you're going. You have a rear view camera mirror. You can also turn on a camera on the mirrors while you're driving down the road as well, for front facing and rear facing. Like, they got you covered in this vehicle, I'm telling you. That is going to do it for the 2026 GMC Terrain Denali. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you want to compare this one to another one, look right over here.